Welcome to Hidden Horror. How are you guys doing today? So today I want to talk a little bit about the prosecution of Bryan Kohberger. Now, we've been seeing recently in the media and other sources a lot of information about the Bryan Kohberger case. Now, I have not done any videos on this information because this information may not be true. It cannot be a situation where I would later have to retract if I tell you something that is false, and I don't want to do that. So I typically stick to information that is covered initially and first in court documents. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the Sixth Amendment. The Sixth Amendment really covers protections for criminal defendants. Some of those protections include a defendant's right to have counsel, that they have a right to a public trial, they have a right to an impartial jury, they have a right to a fair trial, they have a right to know the evidence that's against them. They also have a right to confront the accusers, and they also should have a free, unbiased jury set. So the reason I'm bringing all of these ideas up is because in the Bryan Kohberger prosecution, what's really happening and has been happening for a long time through the media and other sources, they've been tainting prospective jurors by pushing all of this information, by pushing out the crime scene evidence, physical evidence. Recently, the video of the suspect video was put out there, pictures, all of that information that should be revealed at trial, not prior to the trial, which now you may have put these ideas in the prospective jurors' minds, and that could cause bias when the trial starts. I think it's unfair. I think it's wrong. I think it's problematic, and I think Judge Hippler should step in and do something about it. There is a gag order in place in this prosecution of Bryan Kohberger, but it has not been effective, and it's time now. So let me know what you think. Thanks for checking out this video. Bye, everybody.